Moto. He's a legend. He's a dream. He's the man.
There once was a young rider.
Chase your dreams and passions on Power Moto. How nice did I say that? That's because I'm the host on Power Moto. She said it. She said it. In her mind. Sky Champion on Power Moto. Subscribe today. P-O-W-A Moto. Subscribe. Come, let me show you what we're working on. All right? Come, show me what we're working on. This is my boss bike right here. And we got the pretty girls. This is my boss, Phil. Okay?
Respect, ladies and gentlemen. You know that the man behind this video right now is the man with a mission. He's the one that's out there filming for you. He's a missionary. He's magnificent. He's amazing. Come on, man. What better that QUB like this? He's right here, the Harley Davidson Models. This is what he's all about.
So cute. That was so cute. That was too cute. That was really cute. Subscribers! Okay, girl, we're coming in for the shot. That one. Yeah, she did it. Cape Coral in the house. Lord on top on Power Moto! Gotta get these bikes so much better. See, these are the kind of bikes the boys like, with the big wide tires. That's the kind of bike that the guys like. And she's doing it on Power Moto at the Harley dealership in North Miami. Stop playing with me. Ah, she's so cool. Thank you. She's getting it green on Power Moto. Thank you. What'd you say? That was good. Oh, on Power Moto. Thank you. Want me to clean you? Who has 500,000 views on this land? Who has 500,000 views on this land in 6 months? Who are you taking to lunch? Stop playing. Who doesn't need this but will sell it for you? Because he shows pretty girls all day on Power Moto. P-O-W-A Moto.
Got it. Call me.
Tony? Ribeiro. Sky Champion.
Yeah, definitely. Call me up.
Power Moto. Riding the boss's bike. Oh, man. This thing rocks on Power Moto. I'm at the Harley dealer. I got the girls ready to dance. And they're on Power Moto. And get it. Get it right now. That's what you need right now. Get it right now. It's a lifestyle. Just get it now. Yeah, come on now. Boss lifestyle. That'll get you there, boys.
It's on Power Moto. Subscribe.
Hey guys, you already know female riders are #1 on Power Moto. Follow these gals on Insta and YouTube today. And if you like this video, check out these other 2 similar videos. And I'll see you on the next one. We out!